Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 steps in a Dell laptop that you can access your BIOS. So let's start without wasting our time. First, completely shut down your system, and once it is completely shut down, you can turn it on and press here F2 key continuously. So tap like this once the screen is up, and here is. So we have successfully access the BIOS here. Now second step is exit this, and this time tap on F12 key like this, and you can see here BIOS setup. Click on that option, and again you will be land into the BIOS. This is the second method. Now let's move on third method. Now let your Windows turn on completely while it loads Windows OS, and then hold the shift key on your keyboard. Now hold the shift key and click to restart it. Keep holding the shift key, which I just keep holding the shift key, and this is for those their keys are not working, or somehow their hardware is not working, or there may be the chances that they are working with function key. But in this step, this will work on Windows 10 and 11 laptop if you have the UEFI firmware setting on your system. Click on troubleshoot, advanced options, UEFI firmware settings. Click on this option, and this should be only available on UEFI newer version of Windows. If you have Windows 11, that this will be surely on your Windows, but there might be the chances that there will not be available in Windows 10, the older one laptop. So there we go. This is how you can access your BIOS on the Dell laptop. 3 steps I have shown you. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.